Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be taking a look at SPY as well as two particular stocks. So without further ado, let's first start off with SPY. So for SPY, you can see that from a recent low of 348.11 and it came from a recent high of around 431 levels. We hit a high of around 78.6% and around 413. In fact, we did not close above these 413 levels on two respective days, and thereafter you can see that this turned into a pretty strong resistance for SPY ETF. So looking at the Fibonacci supports on the way down, we are plotting from 348 to high of 418. So we have really broken down this 78.6% at 403 levels, and it also shows that this blue conversion line and red baseline, both of them have really broken down. And the next critical support level we're looking is around 391. In fact, just on Friday itself, you can see that we hit a low of around 393 and close around 396. So hopefully we can see a bounce if we were to test this 61.8% at 391 levels. Thereafter, we may slide further at 383 or even 374, where we see more buyers at this level here, at this 38.2% support level. So in the event that we can actually climb up, then 403, 404 would be the resistance for SPY. So let's move on to take a look at Apple. So for Apple, from a recent low of around $124 and the recent high was around 176. So you can see that the recent high was 176, hit a low of 124. Critical resistance was around 61.8%, which was also this previous resistance here. So it seems like a very much like a double top pattern. So looking at the Fibonacci support on the way down, 150 have already broken down. So the next support we're looking at is 61.8% at 144 levels. So this is a very critical support that we have to hold. So it coincides with this red baseline here at around 145, 146 levels. A resistance on the way up, we're looking towards 151 and this blue conversion line. In the event that 144 were to break down, we're looking towards 140 or even potentially 136. So lastly, we have Microsoft. So for Microsoft, recent high was around 294, recent low was around 213. So first time 61.8% was tested. We saw resistance here and it came back pretty down quite sharply. And the next time we tested it, we actually broke through it, and 78.6% was in fact tested. Unfortunately, this was a pretty strong resistance and we did not hold it and we did not clear it with good volume. So plotting from a low of 219 to a high of 276, you can see that just yesterday we tested this 50% at 248 levels. So if this were to hold, then potentially we may test two resistance. First one will be 253, second one will be 261. That's it. If 248 breaks down, we're looking towards 241 and potentially 233. So overall, you can see that SPY and the respective constituents are starting to turn pretty bearish. But if we can hold 61.8% or the respective Fibonacci supports on the way down, then that will be a potential reversal for the upside. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.